guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. Today we're going to be reviewing another jump starter, power pack. If your battery goes dead on your car because you left the lights on or your door's open overnight and in the morning you're getting ready to go to school or work and your car doesn't start. Well, anyway, what would you have to do? Do you guys have jumper cables and you have to start up your other car to jump it? Do you have a jumper pack somewhere? Well, these small new jumper packs, they're not new anymore. They've been around for a while. I've reviewed about 20 of them. They range between 1,000 and 4,000 amps. The most powerful one I had was 4,000 amps, and those go for about $100. Lots of different kinds. So I got one today in the mail. It's the AVAPOW 4000 amp 12 volt jump starter for your car. It also has an LED light for emergencies, SOS signal and all that stuff, as well as USB ports in it so that you can plug in your other electronics like your iPhone, your iPad, your laptop computer, so you can charge it while you're on the go. This AVAPOW sells on Amazon, comes in a nice case, and when you open it up, it has instructions, user manual, the alligator clip jumper cables. These are the kind that's attached to a smart intelligent module. What that means is that you can't connect them wrong. Even has a guard protector here where you plug this into the module itself. The alligator clips with the intelligent module, if you put the negative on a positive or a positive on the negative, it's not going to short circuit and burn out. It'll just give you a reading saying incorrect or something like that, you know? So you plug that into the thing. It also comes with your USB-C charging cable, as well as an adapter for cigarette lighter items. If you have like a tire inflator that requires a cigar lighter, whatever, you can use this to charge that up or power it. So it's a multi-use device. This is the module itself. AVAPOW. Looks fresh, doesn't it? AVAPOW 4000 amp peak power. Over here is a rubber grommet where you'll open up, where you'll have your two USBs. One's for 12 volt, one's for like 5 volts, right? And your USB-C charging port, so that you can charge this baby up to 100%. Over here is the area where you would plug in your alligator clips. You can't get it wrong. Just simply plug it in. If your car's dead, whip this out of your car. You can put it in your glove compartment or your trunk, and it's very convenient. You can't stick it in wrong. When you plug it in, it has an LED light showing the status of it, right? And over here, you have an LED light. You just press this for a second or two, and it goes on. You have a handy flashlight. You tap it again, and it gives you the universal SOS signal, ... Also, if you're changing a tire at night or something on the side of a highway, you got a constant strobe light here you can put on the back of your car on the floor while you're changing a tire so that people don't run into you. Also, at the power button, when you press it again, it turns it off, right? The light off. And also it shows you an indicator here of 4 bars, meaning that it's fully charged. If you get down to 1 bar or whatever, you need another charge to stick in your USB-C cable and charge it up so that it's in full power. I don't have anything for me to test this on, but I'll show you a clip at the end from the manufacturer. But this is really, you can tell that this is a very well-made product with a lot of intelligent, smart devices on to make sure everything's safe. 4,000 amps is the most I've ever tested, and it packs a tremendous punch. It'll start a car, any car engine, and also diesel engines up to 12-liter diesel engines. I'm not kidding. A small thing like this, you would think, there's no way you're going to be able to crank a diesel engine truck, right? Believe me, we've tried it, and it works. You get a lot of jump starts out of here, so that if you're ever in a jam, whatever, or a pinch, you have something that'll get you back on the road again, no problem. No more waiting for AAA, no more paying 50 to 60 bucks to somebody to jumpstart your car, and you won't get stuck. It's fantastic. Now, I have heard that they do make 6,000 amp jump starters. Boy, I really wish I had one of those. Oh! It's the AVAPOW 6000 amp machine. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is gonna be the strongest jump starter I've ever had at 6,000 peak amps. Oh, I'm so excited. 6,000 amps. I'm gonna keep this in my truck because my truck, while I used to have battery problems, I got a new battery and that was the problem. The battery on it was just too old. The batteries don't last more than 3-4 years at the most, you know what I mean? So that's why when you change your battery, you got no more problems. It has the same setup, you know, you got your cigarette lighter that you plug in and you can power or charge your items or devices that require a cigarette lighter plug. And also the same AVAPOW intelligent smart module to make sure that you have no errors in connecting. This one also has a power boost button. And what happens there is if your battery is completely 100% done, it's completely dead, you can press this red button and it'll jolt it. It'll put all of its 6,000 amps into powering it up and starting it up. This one's a little bit different. This is the 6,000 amp model, and as you can see, the entire side here is LED lights. So that's the deferred difference. Instead of a small little LED light, the whole thing is an LED light. Also, you ready? Oh, there's a handy carrying handle. On this side is your part where you can press the power. It shows 3 bars right now, so it's not as charged as that one from shipping. Your Type-C input, as well as your 5-volt USB and your 12-volt, the blue one, USB, as well as your DC output, right? And over here is the module where you would plug in your alligator clips over here. Let's see the LED light go on. So you press it for a few seconds and it goes on. Press it again and it flashes the SOS sign and also a constant strobe for warning. So it works exactly the same way. It just looks a little bit different, but this one comes with a handy handle as well as a bigger LED light, a different shape. But what's the difference here? What is so desirable of this one? 6,000 amps. I've never had one that's so powerful of a jump starter in this size. That's really great. I'm going to keep this in my truck. So thank you to AVAPOW for sending it to me so that I could show you guys what it's all about. But 6,000 amps, that's no joke. I mean, this is the strongest one I got. I'm going to charge it up and throw it in my trunk. If you guys would like one, check out the link in the description and watch this brief clip from AVAPOW that shows you exactly how to use it. Thanks a lot for joining me on another weekend product review. We got a 4,000 amp jumper pack, as well as a 6,000 amp jump starter from AVAPOW. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, I'm Andy from Jericho.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.